Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, that is Bureaucratic Bablu. Today started from my shop, as I always open the shop and arrange all the items before beginning my study session. Once everything was organized, I started revising geography while managing the shop. After finishing my revision, I closed the shop and walked back home. That's when my official study session began with geography by Shivam Sir from PW. In my opinion, he is one of the best teachers for geography. Along with attending the lecture, I also made detailed notes to strengthen my understanding. Today I completed class 12 Human Geography, covering topics like international trade and mainly tertiary sector. After that, I picked up my atlas and practiced the mapping of North America. The second half of my day was dedicated to my optional subject, that is Sociology, from sleepy classes. Today's lecture was really interesting and I covered topics like race, social mobility and many more important concepts. But before I could complete the session, it was time to return my shop. I even tried to continue the lecture there, but with the rush of customers and arrival of new stock, I had to stop studying and arrange everything. Managing both work and the UPSC preparation was not easy today, but giving up was not an option for me. That's how my day 8 was completed. Tomorrow is another chance to improve and I will back with day 9. If you want to be part of my journey, make sure to hit the subscribe